friends, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. Now, if you're here for the first time, thank you for stopping by. You are in the right place. My name is Valerie, and I say you're in the right place because you may be here because you're looking for some decor lessons, something to answer your question. I have a wide range of DIY lessons to show you how to accomplish different things around your home. So check out the channel, and if you like what you see, subscribe before you leave and hit that bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. Now, in the last video lesson, I showed you how to calculate how much fabric you will need to make a double duvet cover. In this video, we will be looking at something a little different from that last video. We are gonna do home decor just the same. What I want to do is talk about a look that designers, decorators, stylists, stagers, we all use in our spaces to bring that elevated, that opulent, that tailored look to our space. And the thing I'm talking about is that chopped pillow. You know, when you are putting your pillows on the couch and the last thing you do when you position the pillow is chop it, and that chop forms sort of kind of V. Well, usually we believe that the only pillows that can be chopped are pillows that are filled with either feather or down, or feather and down, a blend, right? However, you can chop a polyester pillow, and I'm going to show you that you actually can. Check this out. This is a polyester pillow. Look at that. You get that look. It may not be as sunken as the down pillow, but the chop stays, right? And I'll tell you how to get the chop to be even deeper and stay. Let's try this one. This is a polyester pillow. Well, it doesn't really have a chop, right? And this is why we think that polyester pillows cannot be chopped. The reason why this pillow did not hold that design chop is because it is full to the max. And so it doesn't have any air space to hold that chop. However, this pillow has air space to hold that chop. And so when you chop it, it stays. This is the important thing to do if you are making pillows and you want that designer chop. Make sure when you make the pillow form, when you fill the pillow form, fill it to about 80 to 90%. Don't go all the way. Don't max out the space in the form. Leave some space for air. Fill it to about 80 to 90%. The 80%, you'll get a deeper chop. The 90%, you'll get a chop that looks probably similar to this one. But yes, friends, you can use polyester filling in your inserts and get your designer chop. Because one thing for sure, down and feather, they are expensive stuffing. So if you can get the look for less, why not? I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up, share it with your relatives and your friends. share, 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 and leave me your comment. Let me know what you think, friends. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would appreciate your subscription. And remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. Until next time, go chop some polyester pillows. See you in the next video.